The lark-M2 wireless lavalier microphone. This is a combo unit. The mics are very small. That's just the size of a button, and this one is for the cameras. These two are for phones. That's the lightning cable, lightning connector for iPhones, and another transmitter with the USB type C. So this is how the box looks. And this is the price, if you can see here. Price is around 21,999, but we got it for 12,999 on Prime Day. Let's open it and see what we have in the box. We have some material.
What is this?
We are here for you. Let's get in touch. This is a user manual, and then some packing list. What do we have here? So this is how it looks. What do we have it? And these are the stickers. If you don't want the logo Hollyland lark to be visible, then you can cover this up. This is pretty cool. And here is the charging case. This is the product here. Looks good. Let's get back to it in a minute. But this is a transmitter for a lightning cable, lightning connector, and this one. This here is the USB type C. Let's put everything away for a minute. Now let my cameraman, who's my daughter, help me. Let's see what we got here. And this is how everything looks, and this is probably the zip bag. And let me go through this first. What do we have here? So this is the camera connection, charging cable. This is one windscreen. This is the other. I think these are the necklace. Let's see. So probably this way you can put on them. This is the kind of necklace. I think this is magnetic. So we have two of them. And this is how it looks finally. It shows it has 100% charge. And these are the mics. This is the transmitter for camera. And it has a kind of a clip and a dial. I think that is on the dial. And then let us see what do we have here. This is the size of the thing. And if you see, this is a magnetic clip, so you can actually put it behind your t-shirt like this, and you can stick it like this. You don't have to use a clip. So that's pretty cool. So you don't have to use a clip for anything. So that's this. And then this is the second one. So if you're interviewing somebody, you can give this to one person, and you can keep this, and you can continue with your interview. We'll do a detailed performance video later, but this is all that we have in the box. Let us take a look. Once again, what do we have here? let me show you everything that we have that comes with the box. And what we have here is one more box here. I guess that's the clip with the magnet, so you can actually stick this. This is a clip. You can stick it to your shirt or clothes, and that has a magnet, and you can still connect this like this. Okay. And you have two clips here in case you're doing an interview with magnets. So let's see what we have here overall. And these are the, though this thing has a noise cancellation, they still give us some windshield, so in case if you're outside, you're interviewing somebody.
My dad made a mess. See it. Daddy. Say this.
He
did a mess. He's thinking where it is.
This is all we get to kind of around the neck with magnet again. This is the charging case. USB type C, lightning cable. This is a charger and TRS cable to windscreens. This is the one for the camera. I guess this is where you can actually charge this, and this is where this cable goes. This cable goes in, and from there it goes to the camera. Okay, so this is the unboxing, guys. Like and share the video. Thank you.